Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Magic Fluid animated live wallpaper. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing Magic Fluids. Then download this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Over here you need to click on I accept in this pop-up, and now you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper and click on Set Wallpaper. Now pick one of those options. I will go with Home Screen only. And go back. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!